Okay, I'll just show you how to pair your mobile to the Bluetooth system in this Vauxhall Corsa. First of all, make sure Bluetooth is on. Then we go, there's two ways. If you click on phone, there's no phone connected. Do you want to connect Bluetooth phone? That's if there's no phones in already, but so we'll go with that one. Yes. No device paired. Search Bluetooth devices. It actually says no device found, but it's searching device there. So Barry's iPhone 10. It is actually very faint. It looks like it's greyed out, but we'll click on it. Vauxhall. Oops. Bluetooth pairing request 675112. Attempting to connect 675112. So that's definitely the right one. Yes and yes. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. I don't want to do that because I won't be using the car again, but you will. As you can see there, it's connected and it's showing the proper screen on there and it's showing connected on here. Now,